So today, y'all, I am cooking me some pig feet. So, everybody don't eat pig feet, and I get that. But for those of us that do, let me just tell you, the most important part about cooking your pig feet is you gotta soak them suckers before you cook them. Okay? So, these my pig feet. I got them in my little bowl. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour my vinegar in there and my lemon juice, and I'm gonna let them soak. Okay, pouring in this is my vinegar I'm pouring in, and I put in plenty of it. And next, I'm gonna pour in my lemon juice. So, I'm gonna let that sit for probably about 30-45 minutes, and we gonna come back to it. Okay, so my foot's done soaked. And now I'm going to bring them to a boil. I got them on the stove. And I'm going to boil them in some vinegar and some lemon juice. They already soaked in vinegar and lemon juice. But now I'm going to boil them in a little lemon juice and vinegar. Just to be on the safe side. Like, really. And when I do them like this, like a lot of times when you eat pork, it'll keep you up. You know, and sometimes some people, it'll even make sick. When I do my pig feet like this, I don't have no problem sleeping. I don't have no problems with none of that. So just try it out and see what happens, because you know it's a safe look. Our ancestors lived for years and years and years off of some of this same food that, you know, we are told now not to eat, especially a lot of. But they figured it out. So we got to figure it out. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to figure it out. Because today I want me some pig feet. Okay. So I think I'm going to upload this. And we're going to come back later. And I'm going to show y'all what they look like once they done. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all, I'm going to add a little salt. Because y'all know, if y'all watch my videos, when it comes down to boiling stuff with water, even if it's just a pinch of salt, I gotta add me a little salt. Okay. See y'all. Well, y'all, the pig feet are done. All right, y'all. I'm just getting back in from my walk. I got my a piece of my pig foot, and that's probably all I'm gonna eat for the night. And my kale. So let's try it and see what it tastes like. Okay, first I gotta get me a bite of this kale. See what it's working with. I love kale. Or maybe it's just the way I cook it. But it is so good. Now, I got my hot sauce on deck. Just in case I need it. But I'm finna taste this pig foot. Okay, y'all. Get the first bite. Here you go. Ooh, child. I'm a little scared. Now. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah. It can use a little hot sauce now. Yeah, that's good. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna freeze some of these, because I know I'm not gonna eat this. I'm just gonna eat a little bit tonight, like this right here, and then I'll probably eat a little bit tomorrow. But I'm gonna freeze some of these. That way, when I want them again, I'll have them. But yeah, pig foot and kale. And it is good, 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 good. Ooh, yeah, that's good. Okay. See y'all later. Bye-bye.